This is the Scalper's Gold update for February 5th. I mentioned in the last video or two ago how the European markets, the movement intraday in the European markets, such as the DAX here that I've got up, this is a 1-minute DAX chart, Euro stocks as well, have had better intraday moves than the US indices, futures. So here's a good example today. Continues to be the case. Again, here's your the trend indicator. When the trend is blue, we're only looking for longs. When it's yellow, move this out of the way here. Yellow is neutral, means we can go long or short, and red means we've got the trend is short, and we're only looking for short trades. So the New York, we had our New York open, well, back in here, and we wait a couple minutes before we take any signals. I had a signal come out here, didn't get hit, and this was the first one here at 44.48. It did trigger the long side and didn't go too far. We got as high there as 44.47. I'm sorry, is 44.51. So about 3 points before it pulled back. So in the DAX, I usually recommend your emergency stop be 6 points, and you've got to make sure that you only trade as many contracts as your account can handle, say 1 or 2% of your account value on any one trade with the DAX, using a 6-point emergency stop. If the Scalper's Gold stop is smaller than that, then obviously you use that. But in this case, so this one would have stopped at -6. But then you turn right around here at 44.3750, and you get a short signal there. You see the trend there indicator was neutral, so it's okay to stay short or to take a short. And from 44.3750, got a low there of 43.97. So, you know, a very nice move right there of better than 37 points from the entry to the low. But if you continue to hold it, you got to stop it. You know, popped up here. This blue dot indicates you need to put a stop up here. And it rolled over again. Didn't get a new low there, and you finally would have stopped at 44.1450 on that. So, you know, a nice, decent move there. You could have actually reversed and gone long here. No, it didn't go. If you continue to hold that and you didn't take any contracts off, you stopped there at 44.13 for a minus a point and a half. So a small loss there. Could have reversed that 44.13 and gone short here. Get down to 43.91. So you know, you had a good bunch of points that you could have taken out there. But even if you just held it until you get the next stop, which would have been 44.17, it would have been a 4-point loss. But then this 44.17 was a reversal to the long side. You can see our trend indicator is neutral and later turned blue, so it's okay to take long trades. Okay, but look at this one. This is the beauty of the Scalper's Gold system. Long there at 44.17. Actually, I gotta extend this a little bit so you can see. So you're long here, actually get in here, pulls back a bit, and what we're looking at here is the scalper line. As long as this line stays blue, you can stay long. So you can see, as long as you're just watching this, as long as it stays blue, you can hold your position. And that's the nice thing about the system, is it tells you when to stay in. When it turns red, the system's going to generate a stop. So you can see here, let me expand this a little bit. You can see that it popped, you know, way up, pulled back. You got a stop in there at 44.89, and that was not hit. It got down to 44.9850. I'm sorry, 44.8950. So half a a point away from the stop but didn't get hit. Got another leg up, and the high here at 45.26.50. So you're talking, scrunch this up again, from the entry to the peak here in the DAX was 109 points, which is a monster of a trade, and the Scalper's Gold would allow you to capture that. Told you where to put your stops. In worst case, you see you got a little red dot here. That would have been your final stop on the move. So just a quick video to show you the power of holding on to your winning trades, cutting your loser short. You saw the first trade out of the gate. We had probably about a 6-point loser, and then you had better than a 30-point winner. So you see, if you keep the losses small and keep the winners big, you can have as many losses as you have winners, but overall you're going to make money. And that's the key, and that's what the Scalper's Gold system will help you to do. Cut your losses short and let your wins run. That's the name of the game. And the DAX, Euro stocks have been good places to see that play out in the market. Alright, hope that helps.